Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil Jain. I'm the CEO and co-founder at ForeignAdmits. At ForeignAdmits, we are trying to make the global choices smarter of the next generation of millennials who are planning to get a higher education or planning to study abroad. We aim to become a global admission assistance platform. Myself and Ashwini, we were both IIT graduates and alumni, and we both had an international study abroad experience. We both were also full funded scholars in our domain. So Ashwini has a 3 years of management consulting background and also handles sales and counseling experiences. I, on the other side, has more counseling and product and marketing background, and I've guided more than 2,000 students for higher education in this past 5 years. We both come from a low middle class family in India, so we kind of represent the entire Indian aspirations also. The kind of problem that we are solving is for the mass market. So our focus is 90% of the students who are not from the premium colleges of India, like IITs or IIMs, because the IITs and IIMs already has that kind of mentorship support and all predominantly. So our major focus is on the students who are coming from tier 2, tier 3 colleges and tier 2 and tier 3 universities or cities in India, because these are the students who face the major problem. These are the students who are not getting good jobs. These are the students who lack exposure in their career or life, and they want to go for a big career change. For that, getting an international education, getting a global education exposure is very, very critical. And these are the students that we are currently focusing on. The main problem that we are solving in this market is unorganized and fragmented structure. This market is highly chaotic, highly unorganized. There are more than 50,000 agents in India. They are selling careers like Indian cuisines of chaats and samosas. The reason is most of these people have no experiential knowledge. Most of these people have never been abroad and they don't know about the post-admission support. So there is no post-admission help. And they are charging from 0 to 10 or 15 or 20 lakhs also. So it's like 0 to 5,000, 10,000, and even $20,000. So there is no standardization of pricing that the people can expect. The market size is pretty big. We know for the fact that in 2019, 752,000 students from India went abroad for higher education, and there were approximately 3 million students who took the test. So there is a three-fourth of the market which is not being served. So unserved market is also very big. The current market size based on the served market is $2 billion revenue potential, and it gives an annual revenue per user of $3,000 that we can make. The global market size is 7 times of the current market size. The way we are solving the problem will not be possible without technology. So technology is at the forefront of our solutions. We're solving the entire problem with technology, with personalization, and we have kept our matter expertise into this product. So as a student, one can expect from career counseling to post-admission entire support on the platform. It's a digital dashboard. It's a one-stop shop, so we control the entire vertical of the guidance and control the quality and output. And that's one of the reasons we have done more than 200 admissions in total, and we are on track to do 100% track record for the coming years. The idea is to provide authentic mentorship. Okay, so we are providing access to international mentors, alumni, admission officers, student ambassadors from all the top universities, so that a student can get a first-hand experience of talking to these people and get more clarity which college or which career option would be better one for them. So that's one of the reasons the guidance is highly personalized and we enable the student to make an informed decision. This is our online mentoring app. I can go to the website and right now I can see the mentors out there. I can see how the mentor can help me. I can book a call, see the slots, enter my questions, and done. That's how it is. We are definitely trying to transform the 2 decade or 3 decade old study abroad market. So we definitely have larger companies like IDP, which is an Australian IPO company, TC Global Advice on one side, and on the other side we have boutique old firms like Crimson, Reach IV, which are highly pricey. The issue is most of these people are highly manual. They're not end to end. Either there is no authenticity or there is unaffordability. So we are doing premium counseling and affordable cost. That's our prime motto. And we are doing it fully digital so that the accessibility is easier, because most of these people operate in the offline spaces. The accessibility is difficult. And it's an end to end, it's affordable, it's authentic. That's how we claim the name in the market. We have our international student alumni network, which also help us as influencers, affiliate, and referral network, which helps us get more leads and inquiries. And then our product also has an agent login coming up for the career counselors. So all of these career counselors, they were struggling to guide students for studying abroad because they don't have proper information portal. With our portal, they would be able to judiciously guide all the students who are planning to study abroad and getting the major career change. And this model also helps us to increase our distribution at a very, very low cost. So the current revenue potential, as I told, is $3,000 per user, wherein $2,000 on an average is coming from the university side, and the remaining comes from the counseling fees that we charge on an average and the ancillary services. This is our current unit economics. We have grown 10 times in the last 8 to 12 months. Since our fundraise, we have also grown 10 times in terms of our registered users, paid customers, organic leads, gross revenue. We are just crossing the gross revenue of $450,000 for last 2020. And we are now on track to do $2.4 million at the current pace for the 2021. This is our growth traction curves look like. As you may see, since June onwards, we have grown phenomenally well, and we are able to crack 2 to 3 really big partnerships. We have a partnership with JIO, which gives us a phenomenal user base of 160 million for our career counseling products, and also to explore the Indian market for the admission assistance. We also are the national partners for ETS TOEFL US team. So our CAC basically goes down because our marketing activities are sponsored by ETS. The current round that we are raising is for $1.1 million. We are primarily using it to technology scale up, content creation, team expansion, and marketing. We have raised previously a angel round of $49,000 from some of the top IIT and IIM alumni angels and from of the early VC partners.
Hi. So this is our platform, ForeignAdmits. As I've already discussed the business model, revenue model, and all other things, I just wanted to give you a demo. So this is one of the scholarship that we have launched. User can see the book call, value of mentorship, what are the services that we provide, how mentorship is needed, and then some of the mentors that are available. Student can see the mentor's profile, their help, and they can book a call. Some of the packages that we have for support, for profile building, mentor guidance, and all. And then I can get some templates as a student, and then I can also see the blogs which are published. Okay, and then what is the process of work, and then the video. So this is a basic front end of the website. Okay, now I'll take you to the dashboard. So as a student, I can register as a student. I'll go in as a student. Okay, and this is my student dashboard. I can see the universities, the mentors, and the services are there on the platform. I can go here, build my profile. I can enter all my profile details, what kind of course I want to go for, what kind of college I want to go for, what do I want to study, what are my test scores. Okay, so this is first part. So once you build a profile, there's an also a service to upload the documents. I can go here, upload my SOP, essay, resume, LOR, and later on even I can apply to the universities with one touch. That is the future. This here a student can see all the services which are there. If I want to get a statement of purpose written, how can I help? And I can buy the service directly from here. I can click here and the platform will lead me to buy the service directly. Now I can go to the universities. Here I can select, shortlist, filter. I can filter the universities based on the criterias. Okay, let's say this is the list. I can even shortlist the universities right now. Let's say these are the 3 universities I want to apply, or 4 universities, and I can see in my wish list these are the 4 to 6 universities that I've shortlisted in past. Okay, and I can even compare the universities. Let's say these are the 2 universities that I want to go, but I want to understand the prospects of it. I can click here. I can compare these 2 universities based on the fees, total applicants, and all. And later on, there will be a direct button like direct apply. I can directly apply to these universities. Then I'll come to the mentors. Ideally, I will have some mentors call if I'm paid for it, and I can go here, book mentor. Okay, I can see the mentor's profile here. The platform is still getting revamped, so there might be a little bit of design changes. So I can see if I'm going for business management, I can book this mentor. I can see the details of this profile of the mentor. So this mentor is from edX Business School, is studying business management. Okay, I can see his profile journey. Okay, his score in IELTS is 8. So I can get a guidance. I can see these are the slots available. 10:30 a.m. I can confirm the slot, enter my questions as, let's say, guidance, attach the document, and I can proceed to payment from here. The moment I'll click here, I'll be asked 1100 rupees. Okay, so this is the mentor part. Now I can go, as I said, there's an upload document. It also has a version control. So however I'm updating my SOP and uploading the next SOP, it will show that which is the latest version of the SOP that I have. Then this is one of the interesting tools that we have. It's for the people who are planning to shift their career from one field to another. So let's say I'm a civil engineer and I want to get into construction management. Okay, then I can check what are the skills, what are the salary difference will I be having, what are the new skills I need to learn, and what are the skills do I already have. Later on, it will also have an extension to what are the courses that I will be having. Then I have a compare salary tool where I can enter the course and I can enter 2 3 locations and I can compare the salary of each of the locations where the salaries are. Okay, then I can also see the registered events. If I have any event registered, I can go here, I can see what are the events that have happened, I can register for those events. Okay, and whatever services I've opted, I can see it. Later on, it will also have loan, visa, forex, and other services. That is one part of it. Then we have this interesting tool called skill matcher. Okay, where based on the 40 questions I can get the insights of the career choices that I can pursue. And then we have a scholarship finder. Based on your profile, I can shortlist the scholarships. Okay, what are the shortlist and scholarships, I can see which scholarship is applicable at what dates. Okay, and I can easily apply to the scholarship. So this is the first version of the platform. Since I've already shown you the mentee side of it, basically the student side of it, now I'm going to show you the other side, the mentor side of it. So I can log in or register as a mentor. Here I'll sign in as a mentor. And these mentors could be international graduate, admission officers, university representative, alumni of the universities, even career counselors. Okay. So I can enter my profile details out here, which university I've studied from, what institute I've graduated, what is my major, what's my GRE, TOEFL score, what are the services that I can help a student with. Let's say I'm able to help a student with visa guidance. I'll add visa guidance here. My LinkedIn profile, how many hours can I devote per week or per month or temporary. Even if I'm not available, I can put it as temporarily available for now, unavailable. I can share my SOP, resume, LOR, so students can also see them and get a reference of it. I can share the scholarships which I've gotten. So it's basically like a LinkedIn profile, okay, for international students and admission officers. Okay, and then also I can, rate my university, which and all college I've studied. I can rate them here. I can go here, I can enter the rating, let's say. Okay, and based on that I can just submit a rating. Okay, I'm just doing a temporary service. And then I can create my appointments similar to Calendly. See, one call is already pending for me. It's on 12th, to day after tomorrow, from here. And same will go with the candidate also. Okay. So I can also create a new appointment. So I have to basically go here, and for 28th March, if I'm creating it, so this is for big hours, I'll probably go it for, let's say, 11. And then here I would mm, go for 00. This is 11 and this is 11:59. Okay, and I've created the appointment. It has asked me for 1 week or one time. I can create this appointment here. So the appointment is created. Now I have another appointment on 28th. If I'm going to check it by month, I have another appointment on 28th of March, and it will be repeated every Sunday on that.